Hey, this is Randy.
And this is Cheyenne.
SantaFeFord.com, where we have hundreds of cars, trucks, and SUVs for sale near Gainesville, Florida. I-75 exit 399. Right now, though, I want you to stay tuned. Cheyenne is going to give us a closer look at one of our used vehicles.
This 2017 Lincoln MKC has a remote keyless entry, tinted windows, keypad door lock, alloy wheels, roof rails, and a spoiler. For more information on this specific vehicle or to view this vehicle's Carfax, remember to visit us online at SantaFeFord.com or give us a call at the number below. Now let's take a quick look at the inside. Here's a quick look at the inside. These seats are black leather, and the driver's side seat is powered. This vehicle is equipped with powered windows, locks, and mirrors. Here's a look at the dashboard. On the steering wheel, there's cruise control, Bluetooth, and media functions. This vehicle is a push to start. And on the LCD touchscreen media center, there's AM/FM radio, Sirius XM satellite capabilities, a backup camera, CD player, dual climate controls, and heated seats, along with USB ports. And under the settings, there's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto preferences. Now let's take a quick look into the back row. Here's a look in the back row. These seats can fold down for additional storage space. Here's a view into the cargo space where there are storage compartments on the side panels, as well as under the floorboard. Under the hood is an i4 2.0 liter engine.
For more information on this specific vehicle, remember to visit us online at SantaFeFord.com or give us a call at the number below. My name's Cheyenne. Thanks for watching.